Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some mighty machines and covering what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. First up, we have the Eder ETH1. This device is for removing grooves from wood. It can create troughs, do sculpting or tree surgical procedures, and grind tree trunks. This chainsaw tool simplifies complicated woodworking tasks. It can make troughs, do sculpting, and grind tree trunks. Owing to the arrangement of the circular blades, the milling head can process in both longitudinal and transverse directions. The endlessly adjustable and detachable tip on the bottom of the milling head carrier penetrates the wood and absorbs the cutting forces. It weighs 4.4 pounds, and its price is $572.46. Next, we have the Clapa Floormaster 130. This little machine is designed to lay semi-dry, cementitious screeds. The user does not have to bow down, which saves them from knee pain, spine injury, and other occupational diseases. With its patent head, the machine compacts the floor to a depth of up to 5 centimeters and leaves a reinforced surface. It works with sand and material ranging from 1 to 16 millimeter and is simple to use and maintain. One person can conveniently operate it. During continuous operation, its maximum performance is up to 100 square meters per hour. Up next, we have the SANDMAN 850. This self-propelled machine features 3 sifting screen diameters, allowing users to pick the ideal one for their beach's sand and debris size. The screen with the tiniest holes removes tiny particles from sand, while the larger diameter screen cleans coarser wet sand best. The 3-foot wide plow is attached to the machine's front to remove sand piles. A rubber wheel can be attached to support the whole frame for better maneuverability. The optional riding seat makes transporting the equipment to the work location more efficient and convenient. Next, we have the CIMCO Hole Punching Kit. The primary tool in this kit is a portable hole squeezer that comes standard with several additional attachments. It's available in both manual hydraulic and cordless versions. The device applies 75 kilonewtons of force and can be used to create holes. It enables the user to operate effectively without any burrs. The cost of this toolkit is around $2,000. Up next is the Draper fence wire tensioning instrument. This device is used to tighten fence wires that get loosened over time. It works as a ratcheting tool that enables the operator to apply and release tension with adequate force, whereas the clamps keep the tool in place while tensioning the wire. It's ideal for stapling onto wooden fence posts with a diameter of up to 4 millimeters. Next, we have the overhead cable cutter from Greenlee. It's designed for cutting copper and aluminum cables up to 500 millimeters square in size, and professionals use it in industrial, commercial, and utility applications. The cutter is operated by remote control, offering a safe distance from the cutting area. Power for the cutter's blades comes from a hydraulic system, which is managed by the remote control. The cutter cuts through the cables quickly and cleanly without leaving burrs or jagged edges. Next, we have the Worx Nitro 20 volt. It's a cordless paint sprayer designed for painting large surfaces such as walls, fences, and furniture quickly and efficiently. It's powered by a 20-volt battery and has a maximum spray pressure of 125 bar, making it perfect for various paints and coating applications. Its 2-speed control mechanism allows the users to modify the spray speed according to the work equipment. The sprayer also includes a changeable spray pattern, allowing users to choose among horizontal, vertical, or circular spray patterns, depending on the surface. Next, we have the Valifter from FEDA. It's a portable, battery-powered device designed to lift and move manhole covers. It consists of a vacuum lifter that attaches to the top of the manhole cover and a handle that the operator uses to control the lifting and moving of the cover. It can be used by a single operator and requires minimal physical effort, making it an efficient solution for maintenance workers and utility companies. Up next, we have the CONQUEST All-Terrain. It's a multi-purpose ladder built for a variety of tasks. The ladder's design allows it to be used as an extension ladder, step ladder, stairway ladder, and trestle and plank scaffolding system. It also has a large flared base that provides stability on uneven or sloping terrain, as well as on grass or gravel. The ladder is made from high-strength and lightweight aluminum alloy. It also has slip-resistant rungs and a patent-pending hinge mechanism for simple folding and storage when not in use. Next, we have the ONKEL.J. This measuring tool has pins or blades that adapt to the object's curves when pressed against it. After capturing the contour, the ONKEL.J tool can be moved to the surface or substance to be cut or molded. Tracing the form onto the surface or substance allows precise cutting or shaping. Its components can be combined to create a longer gauge for measuring longer or larger objects. This feature makes the tool more flexible and adaptive to a wide range of jobs and projects. Last but not least, we have the Circuit Breaker Finder. It's a digital device that detects the working circuit breaker or fuse. The device features a transmitter and a receiver with an LED indication and audio alert for identifying the relevant circuit breaker. It facilitates professionals in the maintenance works of electrical systems. The primary benefit of this tool is that it transforms a 2-person job into a 1-person one, making locating and tracing the signal considerably simpler. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. Don't worry, we've got plenty more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.